How to read all WhatsApp chats at once. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. With the recent WhatsApp update, you can now read all messages at once without needing to open them one by one. If you have multiple unread messages and want to mark them all as read without actually opening them, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open WhatsApp on your device. You will land on the chat section. As you can see, I have multiple unread chats on WhatsApp. To be precise, I have 30 unread chats. To read all these chats at once, tap on the unread chat filter available at the top. Then, you will see all your unread chats on WhatsApp. First and foremost, tap and hold any chat of your choice. Then tap on the three vertical dots at the top. A menu will appear. Tap on Select All. Then, all your unread WhatsApp chats will be selected. Again, tap on the three vertical dots at the top. From the menu, tap on Mark as Read. As you can see, all my unread WhatsApp chats have been marked as read in a single click, and the unread chat filter is now empty, confirming that we successfully read all chats at once without manually opening them one by one. And boom! You have successfully learned how to read all unread WhatsApp chats at once. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.